Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. I'm back with another video on how to reset your password for your Chase Bank account online. If you have enrolled to an online account for Chase Bank, then you must know that you need your username and your password while logging into your account. But sometimes when you forget your password and you are trying to log into your account but can't, then this might be pretty much frustrating. In this case, you can easily recover or reset your password for your bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser first. In the address bar at the top, type in chase.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website for Chase. Go to the sign in button at the right hand side and you'll end up in the login area for Chase. Enter your username in the first text box that you see, and then if you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in into the text field where it says password. But if you don't, you can simply click on this link right here where it says forgot username/password. Once you click on that, you'll need to confirm your identity. Type in your social security number into the first text box that you see, or you can also type in your tax ID number. Type in any one of them. If you'd like to double check before moving on, click on this eye icon or the show link, which will help you reveal your social security number or tax ID. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your account number or the card number in the text box. After you're done, click next, and on the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to recover your password to a new one for your Chase Bank account online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.